Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so excited. I have waited almost a month to the day for this package to arrive, just because shipping is so slow these days, especially moving between countries. So this comes from the US. This is from KGCRAFTS, and I ordered the Sweet Story collection from her before it was available in Canada, and since I ordered this, it has become available in Canada, and I could have bought it locally, and I've been tempted actually to buy it. I'm just going to take this out. So well, look at, she's got some pretty confetti tissue paper in the bottom there. So if you look here, the bottom of the box is just destroyed. Like, it really got damaged. This is all bent in. I won't show you like my address and stuff, but the box didn't fare well over the course of the travels that it took to get here. Tracking is so unreliable. I've been watching this package, and on April 29th it was sent. Today is May, I don't even know what the number is today, but it is like almost the end of May, and the tracking updated like a couple of days ago to say it basically was in Los Angeles, and there's like all this fun confetti stuck to the bag, so that's cute. Anyways, it's completely inaccurate. Move this out of the way. Okay. Anyways, like I was saying, the tracking is completely inaccurate as far as where things are moving. It told me it was in LA 2 days ago, and it took a month to get there, which obviously it just wasn't updating. They're just not entering things into the system, but packages are moving. So this is one of the unique things that I got from her that I wouldn't be able to order normally in Canada. Buttons galore and more. And it looks different in person than it did online. I'm not disappointed about it. It looks really, really cute, and I can see doing some great things with it. I really love this little set. Also from this Buttons Galore and www.morebuttons.com. So this is packaged in the USA, but imported items from China. So I guess they buy in bulk, you know, from maybe like an AliExpress, and then they package all these unique little sprinkles and things. So these are the 3 that I bought. Now, when I ordered these, she was doing her Instagram post. So she would post what was available, and then you would quickly just reply, I want 1, or 2, or 5, or whatever it was. So I was able to get all of these items. I basically won these items. She only had a specific number of different items. She also sent me a little thank you. She sent me a wonderful gift of these flare that she makes. So I'm going to leave a link down below. KGCRAFTS used to sell solely on Instagram, but now she's selling on her own website. So she's doing really well. You guys, she's amazing. Customer service. She really cares. She's like one of us. She's a scrapbooker who really enjoys paper crafting, and she cares about what products you want to see in, and she is bringing all those things to you. So these are the other 2 little sprinkles that I got. These little pink and white peppermints are so adorable. They look super cute. And then these are just fun little hearts that would make a nice little addition to a shaker pocket. So the Sweet Story puffy stickers are so gorgeous in person. I really, really like these, and I'm definitely going to want to order some more of those. There's the Sweet Story cardstock stickers. And you've probably seen all of these things already if you're a fan of crepe paper. What you may not have seen is a flip through of the papers. So when I was looking at the papers, I'll just go through a flip through of each one. When I was going through the papers in this, it was hard to find what was exactly inside each of these pages because there's 48 different ones, and quite often there's just 24 unique designs and then they repeat. But this one actually has 48 different designs in total, and they're really a wide variety. Like, this is maybe one of my favorites. I love this little swan. There are a few that I really like. I was happy to see that the cut-aparts came. I love this one. I mean, they're all cute. That's adorable as well. So you've got some nice plain sort of backgrounds to work on so that you can use your embellishments as a standout, or you have these really pretty, I love this one too, patterns that are more standalone, where you would make like an envelope or something out of them, some fun packaging. So I'd have to say, like, I much prefer to get the double-sided cardstock because it's easier when you're working on a project. I know it can be tougher because then you have to decide which side you want to use. That's beautiful too. But I think overall, I'll just have to make it work and choose projects that you won't see the other side of. I love this little dog paper. I love the colors. I love the theme. Again, here are the two other cut-aparts. So there's 3 cut-aparts in total, but there was one at the beginning as well. They're all unique. This cute little tiger with its flowers on its back. Okay, is it just me, or is this the wrong orientation? I thought, not that it matters in this circumstance, but I thought that the scallops would be going down this way. It's like, was that a mistake, or are all of them like that? It really won't matter. You'll cut this off and you can use it any which way you want. But I was surprised to see it that way. There you go there. So yeah, this gives you a good indication of everything that's inside. It's getting heavy. There's only a few pages left. The blueberries, that's the last 2. And then one of my favorite things to work with, and I see there's a little bit of damage. Like I showed you, that box was damaged. This one chipboard was wrecked, and it's okay. Like, of all the pieces that got ruined, I really, really like this piece, but there is an ephemera piece in the ephemera packs, which I have multiple of. So at least there's that. This is maybe one of my, well, you know what? It's really hard to say this is my favorite piece. I love this piece. I love the balloons, the flower, the mall, the cotton candy, the ice cream, and the rainbow. It's like, which one don't I like? Maybe the cherries. Maybe. It's like, if I have to say, like, my least favorite one might be that. And they're even good. But oh my gosh, like this butterfly, the colors of that mint green and the pink together. I could see layering this little ladybug on this star. It's just super cute. Anyways, so that is the Sweet Story collection. I've been so tempted to order some more of these from Canada, and I probably actually will once the shops that I order from have everything that I can order at once. I think I'll go and pick up multiple chipboards, puffy stickers, cardstock stickers, and like the smaller paper pad. A lot of the Canadian stores don't sell the sheets singly in the 12 by 12 on their own. If you hadn't had a chance to check out what I've already made with a Sweet Story collection, I'll give you a little like preview. I will link here the fun little shaker pockets that I made. I only had the ephemera, so I had to get creative and find some other materials that worked well with this collection to be able to create these little fun pockets, but I couldn't have this stuff and not work with it. So I ended up creating some fun little shakers that I have definite projects in mind for, and I decided I'd share that with you. But I've been creating these shaker pockets. I can link here another video. I've done the magical forest one. I've been doing some all heart ones I haven't been able to share yet. But anyways, I hope you enjoy your extra time that you have for crafting. I'm really enjoying some swaps that I'm working on right now, and I'm so glad that this stuff came in before I had sent off some of the projects I'm working on. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.